So today we'll be working on the 2016 AMC8 Problem 20. So the least common multiple of A and B is 12, and the least common multiple of B and C is 15. What is the least possible value of the least common multiple of A and C? Well, one key word here is the least possible value. So we're trying to minimize the value for all of these numbers. Well, let's see first. In the first line, we could conclude that the least common multiple of A and B is equal to 12. And we also know that the least common multiple of B and C is equal to 15. Well, 12 is equal to 2 squared times 3, and 15 is equal to 3 times 5. Well, we're trying to minimize the possible values of A and C, which means we also have to minimize the value of B. And from these two things, we can conclude that B is equal to 3 when we're trying to minimize value. So from this, we can rewrite the equations. So the LCM of A and 3 is equal to 2 squared times 3. When we're trying to find the least value of A, then the smallest value is A is equal to 2 squared, which is equal to 4. And when we're trying to find the least common value of the second one, it's the least common value of 3, and C is equal to 15. And if we're trying to find the smallest value of C, it would be 5. Now we're trying to find the least common multiple of A and C. Well, the value of A is 4 and the value of C is 5. So the LCM of 4 and 5 is just equal to 20. So this would lead us to get answer choice A. So the least common multiple of A and C is 20.